Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can assign ringtone to contact on your HONOR Magic5 Lite. So first of all, you have to open the phone dialer, then you have to go to the contacts. Right now pick one of it, for example this one, and click to default ringtone. Accept permissions, and as you can see we can find few options. First of all, we can select the system ringtones by using this list. So if you want to pick, for example, notes, just click right here. But you can also go for the video ringtones and music on your device. When you go to the music on the device, we can simply pick our custom sound. So you can pick any of music file that you have on your phone. We can get this one, and then you can just simply go back. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.